Ever found yourself exasperated by the quality loss when sending media through WhatsApp? Well, those days might just be over. In an age where high-quality media is the norm, WhatsApp has been lagging behind, compressing our photos and videos and leaving us with substandard quality. But recent developments indicate a change in the wind. WhatsApp has begun rolling out an update for iOS users that heralds a significant shift in how it handles media files. This update allows users to share photos and videos in their original quality without any compression. It's a change that sees media files treated as standard data files, offering recipients the option to click and view them instead of having to make do with transformed previews. What does this mean for users? It means that your vacation photos and videos of your adorable pets can now be shared in all their high-resolution glory. No more grainy images and pixelated videos. And for those who prefer the old-fashioned way, you can still send media files as you always have. This update is gradually rolling out. Android users, stay tuned for updates. In their endeavor to keep evolving, WhatsApp introduced key features this year, from a dedicated Mac app to video calling for 8 participants, AI-created stickers, and self-destructing voice notes. The most significant update, however, is the ability to share uncompressed media. This upgrade aligns WhatsApp with modern media sharing standards, ensuring high-quality visuals on all devices. These developments underline WhatsApp's commitment to providing a superior user experience and remaining a relevant messaging app in the digital era. Stay tuned for more updates.